So if you don't know, in Australia we have ABC iView, which is basically similar to BBC iPlayer and sites like that. It's a streaming service that's free, paid by, well, in Australia's case, using tax money. BBC's, their version is paid for using TV licenses. Basically, the idea is if you're a payer, you can access that for free, or in Australia, even if you don't pay taxes, it's paid for by the taxes, so anyone should be able to access it. But something that's happened over the last few years is it's been more and more difficult to actually access something if you want to. It used to be a good alternative, even though the quality of the videos is much lower than other streaming services. You could watch everything for free, and you still can. But the problem is, if I've got Blue here, you have to log in to watch. So it's paid for, so everyone in Australia should, in theory, be able to access it. And used to be able to just clicking on the things, you could watch anything on the site, but now you have to sign in. You don't have to pay or anything, but you have to make an account, which is paying to have to make an account and then worry about signing in, when you used to be able to access everything just by clicking on it before. So they claim that it's a way so you can keep track of your recommendations and your watch history and all that. But one, you could do that watch history just by itself, just with cookies, you need to have a login to actually have an account. But also, if you're only accessing one episode every now and again of the show, why do you need an account? Because you just go into the specific thing. It'd be fine if they gave you an option for an account, but let you watch everything without an account if you really wanted to watch a particular episode of something. But they completely blocked that out now. They used to, in the past, give you that option where you could just watch everything without an account, or you could log in and create an account. But now you have to actually make the account, which just makes things more difficult. I think in theory, this is my opinion, but they're trying to just gather user data, but I don't really know why they would need to do that, because again, it's paid for by tax. There's no advertising or anything where they need to try to customize ads to try to make money. And any customization, again, they could give you that option, but they just don't anymore. That's a change that makes this much more difficult to use, and I think it's probably going to make people more likely to switch to other websites, which might even just be another intended idea, whereas if they make it more friction to watch the episodes by having you log in, maybe you won't use their bandwidth up, so they can say that less people are using it and try to justify spending less money, because it's ABC's budget it comes out of, so they could use that money on other things if they say no one's watching iView anymore, because obviously if you can't access the episodes with an account, you can use a lot less bandwidth, because of basically all media, video which got high bandwidth, moving images with audio is going to use a lot more bandwidth than just someone looking on the website, seeing they have they need to log in and then just leaving. So that could also be another reason why they've made the change, but it's just not very user friendly, and I think is something that probably should be changed to make it easier to actually use, especially since it is your taxes that are going towards this. And maybe if you do have an account on another website, you could consider making an account on here and watching stuff just to make sure you are getting it, because there's also a lot of kids stuff on here, so instead of having a subscription, kids, you got all Bluey on here, so you could watch that and not have to worry about paying an extra subscription for whatever other services have kid shows. So it could be a way to also save money as a user, just to consider switching to this, but it's, again, there's an extra layer you have to do to access it now. But that's it for this video. If you like the video, comment down below your thoughts, and if you choose and subscribe so videos like this in the future.